What can you get when you shop blind with two blind brothers? Hey guys, welcome to Seeing Blind. My name is Cindy. We're going to be doing another unboxing, revealing, whatever you want to call it, when you shop blind with two blind brothers. This is hopefully going to be a great example of some of the things that you can get for in 2023, 2024. This is a pretty full bag. I can't wait to see what all's in here and show you. This is also going to be part of a free giveaway. Two blind brothers sent this to me so that we can see what all that is in their shop blind boxes, and they're also going to be sending one of you lucky winners a shop blind box as well, or bag, if you will. Make sure you watch throughout the video. I'm going to be sharing some little gold nuggets of what you need to do to enter into the giveaway. Just keep in mind, my friends, Two Blind Brothers is a great cause and a great gift idea. All of the proceeds from Two Blind Brothers go to eye research, treatment, and care, and really helping the cause for those of us who are low vision or on the spectrum of blindness. I've been following the brothers for years now. Their journey is very similar to mine. We all have Stargardt's disease and started losing our vision at age 5. I applaud them for their efforts in giving back to the community. So without further ado, let's dive into this bag and see what you can get when you shop blind with Two Blind Brothers. All right, so I'm gonna put this down. Let's see. Let's tear into this thing. Let's see. I love it when they package like this. I can tell it's one of those that's got, let me see, like a Ziploc kind of thing, closure. Yes, right here. Just slide that open. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, so soft. So it's a stuffed animal. It's a lovey, a stuffy, whatever you guys choose to call them. We call them stuffies in our house. And it looks like it's a cute dog. Oh my goodness. So soft and squishy. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. I'm going to interrupt here, guys, to tell you a few more interesting facts and details about this plushie, because he is no ordinary dog. This is Buddy. He represents the very first guide dog to enter New York in 1929. One of the things I love about Two Blind Brothers is everything has a Braille label on it. So he has his name Braille labeled on his right ear. He appears like a traditional German Shepherd, brown and black, and has an adorable little collar as well. I absolutely love this thing. So precious. Okay, I don't feel anything else in that bag. Let's see what else we got. This bag is full, you guys, full. Okay, I feel a shirt or something, some clothes. Yes. Oh gosh, it's a cute t-shirt. Oh my goodness, so soft. So very, very, very soft. I am terrible at reading letters, so I can't exactly tell what it says. That's because the letters are upside down on this white shirt. They are gray text and read perspective. Cute shirt, and the quality, oh, it's so soft. I'm actually wearing one of their shirts. This is one of theirs as well that I got last year, I think, and it's held up so amazingly well. It doesn't ball or peel or anything like that. The condition is spot on as the day that I got it, and I throw it in the dryer and everything. They do run a little bit on the smaller side, in my personal opinion, so I do size up when I'm getting, let's see, what else do we have? Another t-shirt, look! And I think this one says maybe Two Blind Brothers. I believe it does. It says Two Blind Brothers. I am a terrible judge of color. Sometimes I can't always tell the difference between black and navy blue or other dark colors. So one thing that is a trademark of Two Blind Brothers is they will Braille label the right hem, lower bottom of the shirt. They'll Braille label the color so that you know exactly what color it is. And let me see if I can probably read this one. B-L-A-C-K, black. Got it. Thank you so much for finally making shirts accessible for me. I love this. Okay, so we got 2 t-shirts and a cute little puppy dog. We still have lots of other stuff in here. So I'm going to pull out one more thing and then I'm going to explain to you the giveaway. Oh, socks. Guys, they are known for their socks. These are premium wool socks, my friends. This is definitely the sock you want. They're very luxe. They're thick. And the wool really helps keep those odors down. They also maintain and just hold their shape and just feel so great wash after wash after wash. So highly, highly love their socks, especially my husband. He always wants to steal my 2 Blin Brothers socks. Okay, so before I figure out what this next item is, let's talk about the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be kicked off by this video. So when the day that I post this video, you'll have 1 week to watch and comment below. I'm going to do a random comment picker to choose 1 winner, and then that winner will have a couple of days to email me their information so that I can tell 2 Blin Brothers who to send the new Shop Blind box to. So what word should we choose? I'm not sure. Let me open up this. Oh, okay, this is the last item, and it is a cute tote. It's black. It looks like writing on both sides. This side says Shop Blind, and the other side also says Shop Blind, which I love because now I don't have to worry about, okay, is the front facing out or is this the back? You don't have to worry about that. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, and it says Shop Blind in Braille. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is a really great quality tote. You can never have enough totes like this. So let's do this. So for the comment section, to enter into the giveaway to get your very own Shop Blind box from 2 Blin Brothers, comment down below, Shop Blind, 2 words, all lowercase, and that will get you entered into the giveaway. Make sure you're also subscribed on Instagram, my Facebook page, and TikTok. So make sure you're following me on those platforms and comment down below on this video, Shop Blind, lowercase, 2 words to enter in. And about a week from now, I will be doing another video sharing who the random comment picker has selected so that you guys know if you want or not, and you'll have a couple of days to email me your information. You cannot go wrong with any Shop Blind box. No matter what tier price you get, there's some great value in every bag. Highly, highly encourage you to get them. They're great gift ideas and a great cause to support as well. So thank you all so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and I look forward to catching you in the next one. Blessings to you and yours.